How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps and then go to the apps here. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it and then click here on storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back, click on data usage. Right here you will find all the network access options. You have to disable the roaming data and enable all those three options. Go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.